Hello guys, welcome back to the
In this tutorial I'm going to
tutorial
discuss about with you like that web speech API. So at first let me discuss what is web speech API. Like that the web speech API enables you to incorporate voice data into web apps. The web speech API has two parts, like that speech synthesis, like that means text to speech, and speech recognition, like that asynchronous speech recognition. Okay, so web speech is the one of the most opens like rights to enable you to incorporate voice to data and use voice data in your web apps. Okay, and then there are two components like that. One is speech synthesis, text to speech, and another is speech recognition, asynchronous speech recognition. So it is combines text to speech. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about speech recognition. So speech recognition is accessed via the speech recognition interface, which provides the ability to recognize voice context from an audio input, normally via the device default speech recognition speech and responds appropriately. So generally we will use this interface constructor to create new speech recognition object, which has a number of event handler available for detecting when speech is input through the device microphone. The speech grammar interface represents the container of particular set of grammar that you have should be recognized. So grammar is defining using the speech recognition format. Okay. So basically speech recognition is the access the via speech recognition interface. Okay. Then about this speech synthesis, like that speech synthesis is an interface of the web speech API, is the controller interface for the speech service. This can be used to retrieve information about the synthesis voice available on the device, start and process speech and other commands beside. Okay, then just you will show that browser compatibility. What means browser compatibility? Like that it is the ChromeView, WebF, and Mozilla Firefox and Android View, and more reading like that Mozilla developer tools. So the web speech API we are going to see them. Okay guys, so we are going to see other methods and event around it. So I don't want to go to like that. It's something to better describe you. Interface of the web speech API is the controller and interface of this like that speech service, and this can be used to the retrieve and information about the synthesis voice available on the device, start and process speech and other commands. Okay, so then now I'm going to discuss about this API list results, like that when you will speech anything in your speech API, then you can find easily like that grammar list, like the checking and speech recognition alternative way. So speech recognition error and speech recognition event, and inside of this you will learn how to develop your speech recognition result and synthesis, like that event, then synthesis is like that utterance and speech. So in this tutorial we are going to build up this project, and at first let me discuss what is the main functionality in this project. So at first you will give this whole div inside of this container. Okay, then just you will create this another heading tag inside of this, and then simply you will give this another input text area. Okay, then inside of this button, like that input button. Okay, So without wasting of time, just let's start this building this project, and just I'll simply open it with Visual Code Studio, the Visual VS Code editor. Okay, just type here code dot, then it will be opened like that VS Code. So inside of this code, just I'll cut this all of folder, and just I'm gonna starting this at first index.html code. So okay guys, in this index.html code file, then you will just simply create this. Type here simply html.5 html. You will type here, then you will give this extra feature of this VS Code. Okay, so I don't need I don't have need in this time. So just I'm gonna create inside of this div dot at first container as well. I said 8. Inside of this container, just I will give this another div like that for heading tag. Then it will be just a raw box. Just I will give this raw box. So inside of this raw box, just I will give this I have to create it another div like that inside of this column md6. Okay, then just here I have created another heading tag like that h1 heading tag. Obviously I will give this class here name class, and it will be just text center, and obviously it will be like that top bottom padding 3 pg primary text center. Okay, and here I'll just give this text light. Okay, so this is basically our project heading tag. Okay, instead of this heading tag, just you will simply put here speech to text project. Just come back in your browser and refresh it. Okay, it will show that this is our heading tag. Just now I'm gonna creating this another form action like that form. Type here simply, then just here form action, that means empty. Here just I will use it another ID. Okay, ID name will charts. Yes, charts from form. Okay, so this is good, and basically inside of this form just I will use it another text area. Okay, then just it will be ID equal charts input, ID charts input, then calls. Okay, that means class from control. Here I will give this class name, class from control fs that's it, and just simply try here. Inside of this div, just I'll give this another, use it another div, and will be id space btn. Class will be just space btn, padding top on to deflex, justify contain, justify content like that between, align center, oh no, here we just align items center. Okay, so this is good, and just I'll give this another class name dot instruction, then here just I'll give this another button like that. Button class will be btn ranger. Okay, so inside of this btn like that I'll use it another btn. Inside of this button just use another icon like that class, then microphone. Okay, microphone. So that's it, and click this enter and use it inside of this microphone. Okay, basically this is our HTML markup language. So just refresh your browser and simply you'll show that here is your microphone icon, but we don't import this font awesome icon, for that this don't show in this here. So this is our text area like that, we will show that, and it will be just inside of this center. So let's start the style.css code. Okay, so this is our basically element of style.css. so now we are gonna create this, give this class stylist like that. At first I will give this container, just I'm going to start inside of this created like that container, and just mix it 900 pixel, and here just I'll add this margin 0.2 and padding it it will be 0 20 pixel. And here just I'm going to add this another styling, just box, and you will show that inside of this row like that, a row box, just call this box. Okay, so it will work, and it will just wait, and here 100% width and obviously high, you add this height, and simply just I will give this 100% vertical horizontal, then display flex, display to be flex, and I'm gonna add this just a content, it will be just center. So basically this is our HTML markup, and here in the cascading style sheet. Okay, so basically I will come back in my browser and refresh it, and you will show that boxes are come inside of the center, but button don't come in this here. Okay, okay, inside of this just content, just I will add this align items, then center, then just I will refresh my browser, and what happens, you will show that okay, items are centered. Okay, again I will refresh it, and you will show that there is another mistake. Okay, I will fix this issue, so don't worry about this. Okay, now just when I will add this inside of this div like that, ID another div. Okay, then text area, inside of this, after text area, then just I'll add this, just I have been add this like the BTN danger, and inside of this div, okay, you notify this issue. For that our just style.css is getting inside of this markup language, then it will automatically work it. Okay, so now I'm going to creating this another like that script.js. So guys, this is our basically JavaScript functionality for speech to text project, and here in this here just I will use in this project. So just now I'm creating this JavaScript constant value here, const like that, charts from search form, then document dot query selector, and here just I'll call this ID charts form, make sure that it's semicolon, and simply copy and paste it here. Okay guys, just I'm gonna copy this and paste it here, and just simply change this ID. Okay, so that's it, and here now I'll create this another function. At first I will create this another constant speech recognition, speech recognition. Here just I will use it, speech recognition equal window dot speech recognition like that, just simply hold this cut it here, speech recognition, then or window dot WebKit speech recognition, kit speech, speech recognition. Then check for browser support. Just I'll create this another if loop inside of this, and speech recognition or console dot log. Then inside of this, just simply I'll create this here, speech recognition supported. Simply create this const and recognition. Here just I'll use it new speech recognition. Mic btn dot add event listener. Here I'm creating this another like that click event function. Function inside of this like that mic btn, like the microphone btn, mic btn, click it. When you will click it, it will work automatically, so don't worry about this. So just now I will create this micro function click at bt and free event, and just when click this, then it will be free event default dfa default. Just call this if microphone btn class list dot contains use it microphone. Okay, we'll upgrade this here, if then else, like that it will be start, then it will obviously it will be stop it in this here. Okay, so just check this and click this here, it nothing to happen in this here. Okay, so just now I'm going to creating this another function like that start speech recognition, and I will comment this line recognition dot add event listener. When just you will click this, then it will work. So then I'll create this another function like that start, then function empty function. Okay, so inside of this, just you will use it mic btn dot class list dot remove. Obviously what you will just remove this, just I will remove this microphone. Okay, so that's it, and use it another microphone class list, and it will be just added this slash add inside of this, use it again then for microphone like that, slash instruction dot text content and here just you use it when you start this, when you click this microphone button, then here will be start like that, reading or listening. Okay, just reading, just simply state reading. So dot source input focus, call this function, here I'm going to creating this another stop function, stop speech recognition, or simply copy this and paste it here. Copy this and paste it here and change it, just click this microphone to icon start and add this simply console.log and speech recognition is disabled. Okay, that means when you click this button, then it will be like the disable, but your speech text is running now. Okay, when your speech text is running now, so whatever that in this here, like that you will create this button, then it will work automatically. Okay, and you will, when you will talk to about this and it like that listening or reading, then you will getting this result inside of this your text area. Okay, so you will show that. So just I'm gonna finish this code inside of this here, and just I'll create this another for get result recognition. Okay, so inside of this recognition dot add event listener, okay, when this is finished, and just simply will click this another function, and inside of this function just I'm gonna creating this recognition dot continuous, it will be running now, continuous, and that's mean it will be true. Okay, so it will be true in this here. Then you will false this, then your recognition is not don't work, but you don't get anything result inside of your text area. So recognition dot add event listener, then just simply type your result. console.log. Just call this function name. Here const current const variable like that, current equal e dot, that's meant here result index. Okay, result index, and inside of this constant const transcript, and your result transcript, that's mean event dot or result index, or only you can just simply type here result or results, that's mean current zero dot transcript content plus transcript search input dot, here will be just added in your value, then value is equal to content search input dot focus, all this here. Inside of this just simply you will add this here else jodi console log, then here just type here anything, speech recognition, so not supported. Okay, so that's our project, and just I will finish this now. Inside of this just type here speech and div, and click this style, call this style dot visibility, hidden, that means okay guys, so now I'm gonna successfully complete this script.js javascript code inside of this. Okay, so just now I will come back in my browser and refresh in my code and click this, and when you will click this, then your browser automatically pop up to you. Just allow this, use this microphone. So okay guys, if you want to like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel, and I hope you will be just stay web code camp.
So basically, in this pronunciation, you'll show that many error in this speech dot recognition for my speech recognition, and my pronunciation for that you'll show that textably what happened in this error. So now just I'm going to testing again in this speech to text API. Okay guys, so in this tutorial I'm your instructor. My name is Mashukmya, and obviously if you want to like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. So okay guys, hopefully we are successfully develop this speech to text project with JavaScript speech API. Okay, so inside of this, like that, when you click this, then your Google speech API is just it will be worked, otherwise it don't work. Okay, so I hope you will understand this project, and really if you want to like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay tuned to Upcode Camp.